Hello everyone, Rahul is with you. Did you know that you can even start with the $100 on the crypto and reach $2,000 in just a day or two? It sounds like a lie, but this is a real case that I personally tested in practice. Now I will tell you how I earned $4,000 on a simple but working scheme, namely cryptocurrency arbitrage. The scheme is old but it is still working and specialized. So you can make real money with these minimum amounts, and let's go. I will tell you more. In general, a week ago, I decided to try a simple cryptocurrency arbitrage scheme, and I did not accept it to be like so profitable. I started with the $100 and in just 2 days, I was able to earn $2,000. How? It's very simple. I noticed that on the KuCoin exchange, one token was sold at the $1,600 and on Binance at $1,610. The difference was small, but it was enough to make a good deal. I bought 100 tokens for the $1,600 on the KuCoin, spending all my $100, and then sold them on the Binance for the $1,610. I made a profit of $10 per trade, which is not much, but it was only the first step. Then I followed the market more actively and noticed the difference in the prices. Increased the transactions amount of the $500. I bought 0.31 tokens on the KuCoin for the $500 and sold them for the $510 on the Binance. I already earned $10 for one trade. But since the price difference remained, I repeated this cycle several times during the day. There was about 10 such deals per day, and in the end, I earned about $100. In the end, I used my $100, increasing it to the $2,000 in 2 days, continuing to make the transaction with the arbitrage between the exchanges. Further, the exchange rate on one exchange stabilized and I could not further increase the balance. There are many such situations on the stock exchange, and everyone can use them to earn money. I regularly post such differences on my Telegram channel and also share profitable deals and strategies. So hurry up to take a look at my Telegram channel by the link in the description, so as not to miss out on new methods for the making money in the crypto.